Hello, very good morning guys. So this is the lecture number 6 of chapter moving charges and magnetism. Okay. So today basically we are going to discuss about magnetic moment. You can say this is analogous to the electric dipole that we have discussed in electrostatics. What was electric dipole? Can we recall? Yes. Can we recall that? So you have negative charge and you have positive charge q if they are placed at a distance d, if they are placed at a distance d from each other, correct? This is known as electric dipole. What was the direction? The direction was from negative to positive. Yes or no? Correct? So we used to denote it by capital P, that was q into d, right? That was your dipole moment. That was your what? Dipole moment. Similarly, can we now discuss about and can we introduce the same thing in a magnetic bar? Yes, a magnetic bar. Okay, if this is south pole, this is north pole. Okay, let's say this is negative M, this is positive M. Now you might wonder what is negative M and positive M. They are pole strength. They are what? Pole strength. M over here is pole strength. M over here is pole strength. So if the distance between these two guys is d, okay, so we will define magnetic dipole moment, or just these are three word thing, but I will only say magnetic moment, capital M. So capital M over here, it will be nothing but small m into d. Okay? So magnetic moment for a bar magnet is defined as pole strength multiplied by at what distance they are located. Okay? So yes, their direction is also from south pole to north pole. Okay? Its direction will be from south pole to north pole. Okay? Chalo. Now, its direction is from where to where? From south pole to north pole. Almost analogous to what? Your dipole moment that we have studied where? In electrostatics. Okay. Now, see, when we are defining and discussing about the coils or current carrying wire, it produces magnetic field. But especially when we are discussing about loop, this loop can be of any shape. It could be circular, it could be rectangular, triangular, you call it, okay? It can have any shape. So basically, if it has current like this, or if it has current like this, okay, we all know in what direction the magnetic field will be produced. Okay, curl your fingers in the direction of what? Current, in the flow of current, correct? And thumb will show us the direction of what? Magnetic field lines. So we also know the pattern over here, how will the magnetic field lines will look, correct? Correct? Okay, so if the magnetic field lines are emerging from this face, can we say the upper face is nothing but north pole if we are looking from above, and when we are looking from below? So can we say from looking from above is nothing but a north pole, from looking from below, if we are looking from below, it will be a south pole. Are we getting it? Something that we have already studied in grade 10, correct? Alright, clockwise it was south, anti-clockwise it was north pole. Can you recall it? Correct? These are eyes, okay. So basically this whole loop is nothing but it is acting as a bar magnet. Soch, it is nothing but it is acting as a bar magnet. Soch, this guy is North Pole, this guy is South Pole. Correct? How can we say this? Because the almost, I am not saying, it is behaving as a magnet, not exactly as bar magnet, but analogically can we say it is behaving as a magnet. So we can write it like this. It has what? Magnetic moment, which is what? Pole strength into distance. So similarly, it should also have some magnetic moment, correct? But we do not have any pole strength over here, or distance between the two poles, you will say it is 0. So how can we define it? Okay. So over here we define magnetic moment for coil as M into I into A. Okay. Mia. Okay. M equals to I into A. Okay. Let's say you have n number of turns. You have n number of turns. You have n number of turns of the loop. Okay. So M will be known as what? N into I into A. ठीक है? चलिए ऐसे लिखते हैं, magnetic moment for loop equals to whatever current is there into its area. Okay. So if n turns are there, then M becomes N I. Okay? Where I is what? The current that is flowing. The current that is flowing into the coil. Okay? And what is A? A is the area of the coil. Chalega? Okay. So A is what? Area of the coil. Okay. It could be rectangular, it could be triangular. Okay. It can have any shape. You call it. Chalega? Chalega. ठीक है. Now, obviously, it should be a what? Vector quantity. Over here, dipole moment was a vector quantity. Similarly, can we say that magnetic moment is also a vector quantity? Yes or no? Correct? Okay. So over here too, if it is a vector quantity, it should have some direction. Yes or no? अच्छे समझ. When we have to write down the direction of magnetic moment, then curl your fingers in the direction of current. Thumb will show us the direction of magnetic moment. Curl your fingers in the direction of current. Okay. Thumb will show us the direction of magnetic moment. Okay. So we can write this point on the next page. ये समझ आया पूरा? Calculate its direction. Huh? So curl the fingers of right hand. Curl the fingers of right hand in the direction of current. Then thumb will show us the direction, then thumb will show us the direction of magnetic moment. Okay, is it clear? So to calculate its direction, curl the fingers of right hand in the direction of current, then thumb will show us the direction of magnetic moment. Let's solve 2 or 3 questions based on this, just on the direction. Okay, you have to calculate what is the direction over here. Done? Check. Pause the video. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can go back. Check. Question 1 over here. Calculate the direction of magnetic moment. Okay, so obviously it's a question. We have to do this. ठीक है, you can see. चल, over here the direction of current is in this direction. ठीक है, ठीक है. चल, so basically we have to calculate what? Direction of magnetic moment. I over here, this is I, and I confuse with the bar. Okay. So now direction of magnetic moment for first case. Curl your fingers of right hand in the direction of current. Okay. So thumb will show us the direction of magnetic moment. So over here, this is the direction. ठीक है, चलो. Over here, curl your fingers in the direction of current. Thumb will show us the direction of magnetic moment. So you can say कि yes, this will be the direction. Okay. The coil over here, it is placed in horizontal plane. Over here, it is placed in vertical. ठीक है. Now this guy, you can say it is completely, placed in this direction. So when we are, do yourself. Curl your fingers of right hand for question number 3. Curl your fingers of right hand in the direction of current. Okay. So is it going inside or coming outside? Inside or coming outside? Look carefully. Curl your fingers in the direction of current. So it is going inside. Correct? So if it is going inside, we will mark it as cross. Okay? We will mark it as cross. It is going inside. Over here, can you follow the current? Okay? So it is going somewhere like this. अच्छा, एक मिनट, इसका डायरेक्शन चेंज करना पड़ेगा. So it will come up like this. Otherwise, you won't be able to visualize. That's why. So it will be perpendicular to this guy. Okay. Over. And perpendicular to this guy. You can see that it is kind of perpendicular to the loop. Okay. Now over here, okay. So over here, so basically question is like this. So basically, the question is like this. If this is your book, tilt it like this. Hai na? So if it is like this, if the current was flowing like this, the magnetic movement direction was like this. Now if you are rotating a bit, so now its direction is this. Correct? Okay. I hope you are able to visualize. In this case, when the current was flowing like this, correct? So this thing is placed like this. So it will be like this. We can say the magnetic moment over here, it will be perpendicular to your loop, the surface of the loop where it is placed, perpendicular to this guy. I am not using the word area because we all know that the direction of area and magnetic moment, like almost they are same, correct? So that's it. It is perpendicular to this guy. I hope the direction of magnetic movement is pretty clear to all of you. Yes? Correct? Sure. Now, done? Aja. So, okay. Now, our next topic is torque on loop. Okay? So, can you recall what was the torque on electric dipole? What was the torque on electric dipole when it was placed in uniform electric field? Can you recall that? बोलो, torque was what? Torque देख क्या था? P cross E. Can you recall that? Similar type of expression will come over here. So that's what we are deriving. M cross P. Okay? Instead of dipole moment, what will come? Magnetic moment. Instead of electric field, what will come? Magnetic field. Same thing. Okay? Same thing. Okay? Over there, can you recall what was the energy? What was the energy? Negative P dot E. Over here, any idea what will be energy? Negative M dot D. Are we getting it? Same funda. Same funda. Okay? देखिए तो बस derive कर लेते हैं यार. So over here, if you can see, look carefully, the magnetic field is inside, current is flowing like this. So on each and every wire, can we calculate force? Actually, do we know the formula for the force? Force is I into L cross B. Do you remember it? बोलो, ठीक है? So force will be, let's say, this is a square of side A. This is a square of side A in which current I is flowing. This is a square of side A in which current I is flowing. So can we write down the force over here? Force will be I into L cross B. What is L? All these sides are A. I in this direction. Where is B? Where is B for this arm? Where is B? Inside. Where is B? Inside. So I will move my right hand like this. Let's do the cross product. I into L. The direction of L and direction of I will be same. So I into L cross B. So the force on this guy, will be in this direction. Yes or no? Correct? Let's call it as force 1. Okay? Now, can we also say over here, I over here, and B is where? Inside the plane. So you will move your hand like this so that you can do the curl of the finger. I cross B. So force over here is in this direction. Okay? Let's call it as F2. Over here, I in this direction, B inside the plane. I in this direction, B inside the plane. So over here. Correct? Okay. Now over here, I in this direction, B inside it. So in this direction. समझ पाई जनता? Correct? So can we say F net? देख अच्छे से कि भाई F1 equals to F2 equals to F3 equals to F4. देख F1 equals to F2 equals to F3 equals to F4 क्या है? I into A into B. What is the angle between A and B? अरे बोलो, sorry, what is the angle between? Yes, current and the magnetic field 90 degree. हाँ? तो sin 90. सोचो sin 90. तो F1 equals to F2. correct? F4 it is becoming what? I, A, B. ठीक है? Now, if I can ask you what is the net force on this loop? What is the net force on this loop? Everyone, what is the, this is visible, right? I sin. Okay. So, what is the net force on the loop? This force cancelling each other, this force cancelling each other. So F net over here, जनता F net over here is 0. ठीक है क्या? है ना? And in this case, I am only telling you, okay, after some time you can also calculate it, that torque will also be 0. अच्छा, एक बात बता, over here can you calculate the direction of magnetic movement? Take magnetic movement direction, follow the current. So it is inside. Use your right hand, curl your fingers in the direction of current. So magnetic movement भी क्या है? Inside. So already we have to derive that torque equals M cross B. But can we say the angle between magnetic field and the magnetic movement is 0 degree because it is also inside. Magnetic moment and B, both of them are inside. So torque is, we already know that it will come as M cross B. So M B sin 0 degree. Correct? So are you getting it? Sin 0 degree is what? 0. So that's why torque comes out to be 0. Okay? But over here, because of the observation, I'm assuming that we do not know the formula of torque over here. Okay? So can we just write torque net, because when we are placing this coil in uniform magnetic field like this, the coil was not jumping like this. If sometimes it happens, if this is the magnetic field, if you are placing a coil, it might jump. If you are placing at some angle or something like that type, it might jump. But over here, it is not jumping. It means what? It is not even jumping, it is not even rotating. Not even jumping means what? F net is 0. Not rotating means what? Torque net is 0. Okay? So can we say torque net over here is 0. Why? Because of the observation, we find it out that it was not rotating. Coil was, or loop was not rotating. So can you recall the same thing for electric dipole? Over there F net was also 0. can you also recall this, that can I write it over here so that you can understand it better? Can you recall negative Q, positive Q over here, and electric field, if it was in this direction, if electric field was in this direction, the torque on this guy was 0. Why? Because torque equals to P cross E. Correct? So if P, E, it will be sine 0. So that's why it is 0. Are you getting it? So when the angle between these guys is what? When the angle between the P and E is 0 degree, correct? Torque will be 0. So same thing over there for the angle between electric field and dipole moment was what? 0. That's why torque was 0. Over here too, can we say the magnetic moment and magnetic field, if their angle is 0, that's why torque is 0. Anyways, we will calculate it, but field के डन जनता? Okay. Now what we are doing, look carefully. Now we are rotating this whole thing slightly with angle theta. Now we are rotating this whole thing, okay, slightly with angle theta like this. Okay, चल तो अब अपन फोर्स निकालते हैं, है ना? ठीक है, देख फोर्स नेट तो आना ही 0 है, तुम चिंता मत करो, बट फिर भी निकाल लेगा. ठीक है, चल तो ओवर हियर दिस वाज द इनिशियल केस, रोटेटेड लाइक दिस, है ना? तो I in this direction, देख इस पर on this thing, on this side I in this direction, B कहाँ है? B is inside, तो ऐसा I in this direction, B inside, so over here on this arm force will be in what direction? Over here. ठीक है, चल ठीक है, force 1 is in this direction. Anyways, we all know that forces will be same, so I'm just writing it as F. Okay, now on this arm, on the opposite arm, correct? ठीक है, on this arm, तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा कैसे रोटेट कर रहे हो. So I in this direction, B in the down, into the plane, I cross B. So force is in this direction. Force is in this direction. Okay. Anyways, you can say this force and this force equal and opposite to each other. F net will be again 0. Similarly, can we find कि भाई force यहाँ पर और force यहाँ पर, okay, they will be same, correct? Okay. Now, if I can name them, we all know that the forces are same, but फिर भी नाम से कुछ पता लगेगा. F1, F2, F3, F4. ठीक है, चलो. तो torque because of F1 and F3 is 0. Can you feel it? देख क्यों है 0? क्योंकि if something is free to rotate, it will rotate about its axis. If something is free to rotate, it will rotate about its axis. तो क्या होगा कि यहाँ पर अगर axis है, ठीक है, so force is passing through there only. If force is passing through the axis only, what is the torque? 0, because torque is R cross F. Okay, so can we write on the next page, that is torque because of F2 and torque because of F4 is 0. I was saying F2 and F4, right? Okay, because of these two forces, torque will be 0. Why? Because they are passing through the axis. Why? Because F2 and F4, are passing through axis because they are passing through axis of rotation. ओके, चल अब देखते हैं इस नंबर। तो नाउ दिस इज टॉप व्यू, now we are dividing this side, so now this is what side view, this is what top view. Now we are looking this whole thing like this. Think, we are looking because magnetic field is towards me, magnetic field is towards me, okay, so this is magnetic field towards me, okay, and I am rotating it like this, ठीक है, I am rotating it like this. So if I am looking from the above, it will look like this. देख, magnetic field in the upward direction and ये थोड़ा सा tilt हुआ। आया सामने? What is this top view? Magnetic field in the upward direction। फिर से देख, over here magnetic field towards me, हमने ऐसा tilt किया, yes or no? Correct? Now if we are looking from top, it will look like this. Now if I am placing your eyes over here, तो ऐसा देगा, देख देख, ओके, तो इट विल लुक लाइक दिस, करेक्ट, ओके, तो बस यही समझना चाहते हैं। नाउ अब देख, इफ वी आर लुकिंग लाइक दिस, ओके, तो फोर्स इस पर कहाँ था, देख, फोर्स ऑन दिस गाय वॉज इन दिस डायरेक्शन। तो इफ वी आर लुकिंग फ्रॉम टॉप, तो ऐसा आना चाहिए, करेक्ट, ऑन दिस गाय फोर्स इज इन दिस डायरेक्शन एंड फोर्स ऑन दिस गाय, करेक्ट, आर यू गेटिंग इट? मतलब ऐसा आना चाहिए, समझ पाई जाता है, देख, ऐसा, एक यहाँ, एक यहाँ, समझ पाए, ओके, ठीक है, क्योंकि है एक्चुअली में ऐसा। एक फिर से एक बार फिर से विजुअलाइज करेंगे, देख, ये है, ठीक है, इसको यूं मोड़ा, फोर्स इस पे आया इस डायरेक्शन, ठीक है, फोर्स आया इस पे इस डायरेक्शन, और फोर्स ऑन दिस गाय, ये क्या है, इस डायरेक्शन, ठीक है, एकदम हॉरिजॉन्टल, ठीक है भाई, ये ऐसा, ये ऐसा, एक ऐसा, एक ऐसा, है ना, ये बिल्कुल हॉरिजॉन्टल डायरेक्शन। अब तुम ऐसे देख, अब तुम ऐसे देख, तेरे को ऐसा दिखेगा, ठीक है, ये दोनों फोर्सेस। तो एक्चुअली में ये जो फोर्स है मैं बना दे रहा हूँ, तो कंफ्यूजन नहीं होगा। The force will be like this. Same dipole type, same like dipole. You will get the same field as dipole. बस अब इधर से you have to calculate it, है ना? You already know the force. क्या है भाई force क्या है? F over here, F over here. This whole side length was what? A. So this length, this length is A by 2. This length is A by 2. ठीक है? So we know the torque over here about this point O. About this point O, it will be R cross F or RF sin theta, correct? What is the theta between them? Is this. Or if you do not want to do like this, do F sin theta, F cos theta. Torque because of F cos theta will be 0, F sin theta there will be some torque. Are you getting it? So similarly over here because of this guy, correct? If this is theta, this will also be theta, correct? So again torque because of F cos theta 0, F sin theta will be there, है ना? तो can we write torque net torque net, this was which force? F3, and this was F1. Right? Torque net because of F1 and because of F3 is this. Okay? Both of them will be in same direction. They are cross F inside, are cross F inside. So they are in same direction. That's why we are adding them. ठीक है? तो क्या आ जाएगा? यहाँ से R into F1 plus R into F2, or you can write cross as well. R cross F1, R cross F2. From diagram, it's very clear. The angle between the distance and the force is what? Theta. Can we write A by 2 into F1. F1 is nothing but F only. We all know that its value is same. F into sin theta. Correct? Whenever we remove the cross, what comes? Sin theta. Same thing over here. A by 2 F sin theta. So can we write A by 2 plus A by 2? It will become A. So A F sin theta. मतलब 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 1 only. Right? Okay. So it is A F sin theta. What was A? Sorry, what was F? Can you recall it? I B A. I B A. Yes or no? Correct? Okay. So into sin theta. ठीक है? A into A, it will be A square. A into A, it will be A square, which is area. Area into R, it will be magnetic moment. So that's how M B sin theta was coming, and torque will be written as M cross B. Okay. So torque net we can write A square I into B sin theta. This is nothing but, if you want to write like this, no problem. You can write I A square. थोड़ा feel आएगा कि I A type. A square क्या है भाई? This is area of square loop. Correct? So you can also write it like this. I A B sin theta. Now I A can be written as this मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट. ठीक है, तो आपने लिख दिया इसको M P sin theta. ठीक है. So now torque over here, if sin theta is there, how can you just absorb the sign? By doing cross. So answer will be M cross. Okay. So please watch this full derivation one more time. Problem कहाँ होता है कि in visualization, how we are visualizing this? What is side view? What is top view? Are you getting it? Okay. So, but remember this whole thing is same as what? Dipole moment. Over there too, we do what? We did what? We calculated the torque like this only. Yes? Same figure was there. Same figure was there. So that's why we are looking from the top view. Okay? So that you can relate it. The only change was what? The electric field was in this direction. Over here, magnetic field is in the upward direction. Okay? So if they are asking you to derive the torque of the loop, okay, so you have to do like this. Torque equals to mb sin theta or n cross b. Okay, so basically if you are able to come till this point, okay, so now can we write few star forms? Same thing. क्या होगी स्टार फॉर्म? टॉर्क is M cross B, or you can write torque as md sin theta. Okay, so from here torque will be maximum when theta is 90 degree. Torque will be minimum when theta is 0 degree or theta equals to 120 degree. Okay, same thing as dipole. Chale? Okay, so what is the case? This is the case. Current moving like this. Okay, if current is moving like this, M is inside. Okay, and let's say we are applying magnetic field like this. Huh? So both of them are at what? 90 degree. This is the case. Huh? Okay, M inside and B like this. Over here, when we are talking about torque minimum, so it means what? Okay, same diagram we can do. Two diagram might come. Okay, so over here, M is inside for both of them. M is inside for both of them, and let's say field is also inside. Field is also inside. Over here, field is outside. Okay, case 1, case 2. Okay, so can you find it out what is the angle between magnetic moment and this field over here, magnetic field over here? बताओ, magnetic moment and magnetic field में क्या एंगल है बताइए, बोलो बोलो. Yes, theta over here is 0 degree and theta over here is 180 degree. ठीक है? Can you recall by using the concepts of dipole moment, when theta was 0, the coil the dipole moment over there, it was in stable equilibrium. Okay, and over here, if theta is 0, yes, it is in stable equilibrium. It is also in. चलो अगली बार, next page. Third point, theta 0 degree, stable equilibrium. Theta 180 degree. These type of questions will come in half year. 180 degree, unstable equilibrium. Okay, theta equals 0, stable equilibrium. Theta equals 180 degree, unstable equilibrium. Fourth one, F net equals 0. But what is the catch? When magnetic field is constant, equals 0 on loop. When B is uniform, when magnetic field is uniform. Okay. So that's all about this lecture. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Thank you.